Hey guys, it's Karen Marrow. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to make money typing from home. And if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home, and how to have freedom and choices to do what you love. And if those are of interest to you, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you'll be notified when I upload new videos. And with that being said, let's go ahead and get into the content. Again, we're talking about how to make money typing from home. I've got a couple different sites that I want to share with you. The first one is a little bit more for the more advanced writer. And this site is the Sun magazine. You can get paid up to $2,000 for an essay and up to $250 for poetry. Let's go ahead and go to the site here, thesunmagazine.org. You'll click on submit at the top. If you scroll down, you can see that for nonfiction you can get paid up to $2,000 per essay, and for fiction up to $2,000 per essay, and then poetry up to $250. And you can click on these samples here to see what they are looking for. And you can either submit it online or you can mail it in, and that's the address right here. So that's the first one, and the second one I'm really excited to share with you because you don't have to be a good writer to start with. You're going to get better at it. So this site is called textbroker.com. You can earn anywhere from $100 to $300. It's really based on your star rating and how many words you're typing for the article. So let's go ahead and go to textbroker.com, and up here at the top where it says I write content, we're just going to look at how it works, and it's completely free. So this is a great way for stay-at-home moms to earn extra money, or if you're somebody who has a full-time job and you just need a side income, because you can set your own hours. So what you're going to do is you're going to register for free and verify your U.S. citizenship, and they're going to give you a rating, so you're going to get an idea how much you're going to get paid. So you submit a sample, get your rating, complete your author profile, and then start writing for cash. So let's go. The star ratings, they're going to explain it down here, what those are. And let's see, let's talk about the payment. So for 2 stars, 0.7 cents per word, and with 5 stars, as you get better, it's 5 cents a word. So they have this really cool earnings calculator down here. So you can see, let's say you're going to write 1,000 words. You can see if it's only 2 stars, you'll get paid $7, 3 stars, $10, 4 stars, $14, and then as you get better and you're at 5 stars, you can get paid $50 for 1,000 words. Then as you scroll over here, you can see that that will go up to like $100 at 2,000 words. And then if you're going to write longer articles, you can make, $200 right here, 4,000 words, and then and it's really not that many words. And right here, 6,000, you can make $300. And again, you don't have to be that good to start out with, and you can get paid less, and then as you get better, of course your pay will go up. So again, this is a great way for you to make a side income, make money typing from home, and you can set your own schedule. It's great for stay-at-home moms or just anybody who wants to make extra money from home. So that's it for this video. I just want to share those 2 sites with you. If you found value from this, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like, and again, subscribe to the channel, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care.